With the Prime program, it's where we all work together. No one person can do it all. No one institution can do it all.
Being in this program builds a lot of character, especially because you're working with not just one person, not just your teachers, but you're working with everyone.
They're trying to change the world for some people. It's like, how can we make their world a little bit better? That's they make me proud.
This is an academy. This is life. This is applying content to life.
I really wish that other students would be able to have this opportunity, to have this experience where they can work with other students, work with their teachers, work with this type of equipment, and, you know, be what they want to be, realize that they want to be an engineer.
My industry, I think, wants that. They want someone coming in, you know, with experience. And them coming out of high school with experience is just that much better.
We know that we need to fulfill our pipeline of youthful talent. We can't do it. We can't go hire youthful talent. The youthful talent is not available. We've got to manufacture that youthful talent.
All of a sudden, everybody's woken up and saying, hey, we've got a severe problem. There are so many people who are retiring. And we've got a serious future shortage of people in manufacturing in this country.
We're like basically helping engineering grow, because I know that the businesses out here, there's not much engineering, but I feel like if there were more people to be engineers, the businesses would come back to America.
Without this class, I wouldn't be where I am today, and I wouldn't be going where I am. This is one of the most important classes I've taken.
Before this class, I was really quiet and really didn't talk with other people, and in this class, you have to work with others.
I've witnessed kids totally turn their lives around. They didn't know what they wanted to do. They wanted to drop out as freshmen. They get into these classes, they start working with their hands. They go, this is what I want to do. This is what I like doing.
Since I started this, my grades have skyrocketed because this is actually hands-on with what you're learning in school.
I'm really interested into this and machining. So for me, it's exciting learning new things.
I'm very girly, but I just love to work with my hands and work on the machines. It just proves that the stereotypes aren't true.
This is what we're here to do in education. We're here to provide options and opportunities. It is one of the most powerful things that we can do for kids. They walk out with STEM skills and 21st century skills and a confidence.
We're scientists in the making.
When we learn something that we don't know before and it's challenging, then it makes it more fun.
They catch on it. They're like, I really want to learn this stuff.
I like engineering. I like how the world works and making everything.
The engineering is a lot of creativity mixed with science. It's about making what you imagine life.
And they're the best teachers I've had in my whole entire school career.
I can build my career off something like this.
We're starting to get a lot of feedback from the parents saying, you know what, my child graduated from your program. They're now working at this corporation or they're going to this university, and you've made a difference in my children's life.